with Stella Dot, and this is my third attempt to film this today. As you can see, you're not looking at beautiful scenery. We are in my mom office. It's getting dark because I live in Europe and it gets dark at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. 30 minutes ago when I tried this, it was lighter. But that was before the phone cut off. I didn't realize I had too many videos in there. I don't even know. I'm not a professional. I tried this at home. The phone cut off when I was doing it then. I didn't figure out why. I had lighting, all the wonderful things. But this is real life, okay? This package from Stella Dot has been sitting in my home for 5 days, more than that. It arrived when I was going on vacation. And I was like, I'm gonna unbox this. People like these things. I like to watch them. It's not a surprise. I picked it all out, okay? But you're gonna be surprised. And it sat there all week because life. I could not get it done. And I was really upset because I knew it was in there and I wanted to wear it. And so I am now sitting at guitar with my phone attached to a Gorilla Pod thingy on my steering wheel because I am getting this done today. Please tell me I'm not the only person that does that. It's like, there's nothing gonna stop me doing this. It can be in my car, in my mom office. Hopefully you don't care. I don't know. Leave now if you do, but this is mom life, okay? When you mom 24/7 and you homeschool your kids and you do all that stuff, this is it. Even if you don't homeschool your kids, if your kids go to school every day and you go to work, you understand, okay? So this is real life, and here we are, and let's get going. So there were 2 of these bubble protected. Looky. Oh, that's the ugly side. They, of course, did not have the ugly side showing. There we go. All right. The first time I undid this box, I threw part of it across the car, so maybe I can do better this time. These are the Color Pop Interchangeable earrings. There are several of these sets to choose from. I chose the craziest, wildest colors because that fits my personality. You all may see these and be like, I would never buy those. Okay, they come in muted tones too. They got something for everybody. We're not all living out loud all the time. I like them. And this is my favorite part. Okay, so they're a little pricey, all right? You're gonna look at them and be like, I'm not paying that. But you get something like, okay, so you're gonna see, but then like multiply all the different ways you can do it. Base earring, okay? Let me get it right. The base, okay? I mean, if this is your jam, some days you can do this. But, okay, if you would have seen like 2 videos ago, these were all wrapped really pretty. But we're on like the 3rd unboxing now, so whatever. All right, so you're gonna get, okay, pairs, okay? 2 circles, 2 half moons, all that. All right, so here they are, okay? Now, here's the beauty. Obviously, oh my goodness. Okay, but when you turn them over, oh my goodness, okay. You see what I'm saying? Real life, we don't do retakes, we're not stopping, okay? So, one side's green, the other side's like a kind of gold color. Same thing for all of them, okay? So yellow, brown, pink, purple, and one more. It's orange and blue, okay? And so I'm gonna do another video that shows you how that earring works. But basically you can stack them and put 2 on the same post. You can mix and match all those colors to go with every outfit in your closet. I mean, if you live out loud like I do and you have all those colors, or you just want that to be your thing and you can just wear black. I mean, nobody's stopping you. So here we go. Next one, the Rossdale, I think I said that right, necklace, and I bought the Hematite blue color. They all have a care card. This one specifically has a card about the magnet. So let me show you this. This is what it kind of looks like. I mean, not really. Stella Dot, oh my goodness. I'm sorry, I'm not doing it justice here. Okay, here it is. Okay, it's getting darker. I'll just lean over towards the light a little bit. Here we go. So on, oh my, I'm not doing good here. I'm not a famous YouTuber. So I learned earlier in the first video that my head's too big to actually you know, loop it twice over the head. But what I did learn was you just undo the magnet, circle it around, maybe, y'all. Oh my goodness. There we go. Okay, and here we go. If I can get it straight. I just sold like 10 of those because y'all were like, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, the point is, if I could be more graceful, you're gonna do it like this, okay? And then when you're at your own house, you can have that, or you can be like a normal person and move it to the back. Okay, or y'all want that necklace so bad now, I can tell. You just circle it on your wrist, and let's see if I can get it on there, and then kind of just straighten it, and now you have a bracelet. All right, perfect. We're just gonna leave that on because I had enough trouble there. Oh my god, you guys, this is like gone south fast. We just need to go. Okay, here we go. Interlocking hoop gold earrings. So I'm gonna show you these, and I'm also gonna do another video for these because these earrings are pretty phenomenal. Actually, they come in silver. I chose gold because that's just sort of what I prefer, although I do wear both. But this is one part, this is the other part. So you basically get, these have backs too, 2 earrings, so 1, 2, but that's not the end of the story. So these pieces of these earrings go on these hoops several different ways, okay? So this earring, I think they may consider it like a 5-in-1. I don't remember specifically, but I am going to do another video, so keep an eye out for that, or go to their website, the Stella Dot website, and just search it, and they show you on there several of the ways, but maybe not all of the ways. It's amazing. Like, it's just amazing. I don't even know how somebody's brain comes up with stuff like that, but I'm grateful, okay? I can sit over here and try to make it look good, but clearly I couldn't even get the simple necklace down. So, okay, moving along. These are a gift. These are the Liliann or Liliann fringe earrings. So I kind of wanted these for myself. Let's get them straight here. But alas, they're going to be a gift. Okay. And I'm not entirely positive about these. I think these are a 2-in-1. I can't remember, and I'm trying not to take it apart. They are. So the green part on these comes off, and you can just wear this as a stud. So a 2-in-1 on those. Fabulous. We like earrings. We like money to stretch further. We're women. We can be like, honey, I saved you money. Next. The Edni wrap bracelet. This is also a gift. Okay, and it'll just wrap on. Very simple clasp. All right. And oh, this is the mama necklace. They just released this, and I love it. And the reason I bought this, because this would not be my typical style, so we're going to try it out. It's dainty. I'm a bigger framed person, just so I like everything big to sort of match my style, but they've been layering this necklace, like this necklace, you know, up top, and then a longer necklace. I'm totally trying that trend because I love that. And they make that easy to do because they provide multiple options. So 4 different loops or little hooks here to change the length of it to fit with whatever you're feeling that day. And did I hold it up enough for you to see? So mama. And great price point, and goes with everything, your t-shirt to your dress up outfit. You know, because, you know, sometimes if you don't hear that enough in one day, mama, put it on a necklace, wear it. Then you'll just hear it more because everybody will be like, oh, I love your mama necklace. But at least it won't sound like, mama. You get the drift. I know you do. If you're a mama, it's the greatest sound that you wait forever for. And I swear some days I text my husband, I'm like, I'm changing my name and I'm not telling anybody, okay? Amen. I know you know. These are a gift for my daughter. So maybe she can't watch this video. I don't know. She really wanted these because my mentor had them. They're the Pavé triangle ear climber. Can it focus maybe? They're sweet, and I think for a 13-year-old that's super appropriate. I don't really, let her wear things like this big, because I just think that doesn't look appropriate on her. It just makes her look older. And I mean, I really wanted her to grow up, and now I'm like, no, slow down, slow down, slow down. So anyway, these are a gift. They're going to be a gift for her. Or like babysitting payment. I don't know. That's going to be spreading out some babysitting, because that's a nice gift, Last thing that came, and I'm sorry. So, I mean, like, I look yellow, but you can see built-in light in the mom office. Okay, last thing, so that we can get past the yellow light and all that. I promise you, my husband, he was a good YouTube husband. He did buy one of those fancy lights, and I had it hooked up and working, but that all went bad. Last thing, this beautiful Ren top. Okay, so I was really undecided about the Stella Dot clothing, and my mentor brought her clothing over, and I tried on some stuff and took pictures, and this top was in there, and I put it on. I'm not kidding. Like, I went and bought it the very next day. So let me just tell you, so this top is like this, and it can be worn off the shoulder, like boat neck style. Maybe if you're thinner framed, it could go off both shoulders. It's the feel of this top. Okay, the feel is like, let me just put it like this. Okay, so hopefully we've all read the 5 love languages. Okay, so if your love language is not physical touch, okay, that's not my love language, but maybe think about that before you buy this, because when you put this top on, everyone that sees it, because it just looks cozy. I mean, they're gonna want to touch it, and they're gonna just be like, you've worn stuff like that, and you're like, if one more person touches me, or you're a mom and you're like, if one more kid touches me. There's a possibility that could happen with this. So I'm warning you, because this top, it is magnificent. It is the Ren top. I'm almost positive about that. I'm going to put the names of all the things down in the bottom area. But this, it's amazing. Like, it is amazing. And it has, let me see if I can get you the bottom somewhere. See, it's kind of like asymmetrical. It scrunches up really nice. So if you're like, like, I'm still working on the after baby thing in the stomach area, you could like, there's a fancy word for that, swoosh it or whatever. You know what I'm saying if you've dealt with this. But this top is amazing, and I ordered my true to size small. I'm 5'9". I weigh 140 pounds. I just told YouTube that. I mean, but please, I'm just trying to help a sister out here. Take that for what you will. I have worked hard on that number. I'm just going to own that, because, hey, that's life. That's life. Own whatever you are. Feel proud. Buy your size. There's kids coming to get my car. Okay. I'll put it all down below.